Hi and welcome to OneSearch. We are going to learn how to receive an email alert for specific searches or queries. So make sure, first things first, that you are in fact signed into your account. You'll see it right here. You'll know right away whether or not you're signed in. And we will go ahead and type in a search topic. I have already typed in young adult literature. As you can see, you would type in whatever you are interested in within the new search option, and your results would pop up as you see here. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to where it says Save Query, this little push pin next to all of your results, and you're going to click on it. When you click on it, this kind of peach yellowish bar is going to pop up at the top of the page, and it's going to give you the option of turn on notification for this query. It does go away if you don't do it right away. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to pop up this notification settings. It tells you you'll receive email notifications when there's an update to the query. So if any new articles are posted, if anything is updated, you will be alerted by email. So you would type in your email here, click save, and that would save it, and you would receive those alerts. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact me at the library. Thank you.